Respectable teacher and class fellow, Assalamu alaikum. Today, the topic of my speech is Pakistan-India relation. Honorable teacher, relation between Pakistan and India have remained strained on account of certain political issues, which have their origin since the birth of these two states in 1947. The Kashmir dispute is the most prominent one. The partition of the former British India also resulted in displacement and 12.5 million people and killing of about a half of Muslim and Hindus, mostly in communal rights. During migration to the newly born state, an account of improper security arrangement. Inter alia, this sowed the seed of hatred from the very outset in the people of both countries. Additionally, there were territorial disputes which overshadowed their relation in the time to come. Honorable teacher, the Kashmir dispute remained at the center of all this conflict of tension. There have been so many attempts to improve the relation, notably the Simla summit, the Agra summit, of the Lahore summit, but no one helped to resolve the real issues of Kashmir. Rather, situation became extremely tense on occasion when in the early 1980, Indian forces occupied Siachen Glacier in Kashmir, ultimately resulting in war at the highest battleground. Indian and Pakistan nuclear tests in 1908 and 1999. Kargil war and Kashmir also keep these countries from closing to each other. Honorable teacher, there are numerous issues which has disturbed Pakistan and India relation in these countries. Failed to pair, some of them are as under Junagadh dispute, Kashmir disputes, India rules to create Bangladesh, Kargil war, Afghanistan, terrorist activities, Simla Agreement 1972, Bagaliar Dam issues. Honorable teacher, in order to improve the bilateral relation, some confidence building measure, CBM must be prepared from both sides in order to end the hostility. Both must stop territorial interference and violence on border. Both must solve the Kashmir issues. Lower use of chemical weapon, open door for dialogue. Both must respect the ideologies. Both must condemn terrorism. India must give respect to Muslims. India and Pakistan both have to work in this regard. ये गाजी ये तेरी पुरस्रारी बंदी, ये गाजी ये तेरी पुरस्रारी बंदी, जिन्हें तूने बख्शा है ज़ौक़ खुदाई, न तो ज़मीन के लिए न आसमां के लिए, जहाँ तेरे लिए तू नहीं जहाँ के लिए। वस्सलाम।